What's up, YouTube, Facebook? This is my 2019 Kia Sorento, 135 miles on it. Now, what I have noticed with everything off, trying to just listen to how quiet the interior is, I notice a weird buzzing noise from the corner here of this window. I heard it the other day. I wasn't sure what it was. If it was body flex or if it's just air noise. I haven't figured it out yet. I put my finger on the window glass seal and put pressure on it. I don't hear it. And the window is all the way up. And I'm not really sure what that is yet, but I will bet you the window needs to be adjusted. Probably not going up all the way. Brand new, right from the factory. Like and subscribe. I have tons of tech videos.